The biggest YouTuber in Cape Town, Baba.
And in Zimbabwe also.
Zimbabwe, you know what?
Posting Vlogtober videos, you know what I'm saying? So one of my friends said, you should. I thought maybe you are joining the Vlogtober challenge, and yeah, I don't know how I forgot that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think I'm gonna join that, and I'm gonna start a day 2. So if it's the best, maybe please like, comment, share, subscribe to your channel for more, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically what I'm gonna be shooting today is like, get ready with me to work, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is my room right now, and as you can see, it's very dead. Not that dead, man, but just that. Look at this food I was eating. It's just that I wanna sweep my room, pack everything, and then I'll go to bath, take this place to the kitchen, and yeah. So stay tuned, man. I'll keep on giving you updates. But before that, I have to go in bath first. Since I have to go to work, and I'm very late. I'm always late to work, and I'm saying, and yeah. What I'm gonna do? So guys, I'm not wearing anything. So guys, I'm not wearing anything because I'm going to the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is your boy. Looking sex as usual, you know what I'm saying? So guys, I'm gonna catch you soon after I'm done bathing, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you stay tuned and you watch this video to the end, you know what I'm saying? And if it's your first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel so that I have the energy to keep on giving you the vlogs this whole fucking October and each and every day, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. So yeah guys, your boy is done, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, now I'm gonna do some mopping, you know what I'm saying? So yeah guys, I'm just gonna do mopping here. After I'm done mopping, and I'm gonna go to, what do you call it, to the train station, and then go to it. But yeah, before I go to it, I wanna pass through my ex-wife place. What do you call it? If something is no longer existing in your life, it's an ex, right? Ex-boyfriend, ex-friend, ex-what? So I'm going to my ex-working place. Ex-workplace. Huh? Doesn't make sense though. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna visit Tanaka. I'm going where I was working before. Yeah, maybe that makes sense. That's where I'm going, and I just wanna greet others. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? And check up on others. How guys are you doing? Are you okay? Are you fine? How's work? And yeah. And also, I got Tanaka's money. Yeah, I got the credit there, so I wanna repay. I wanna give Tanaka his money there. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Now, as I told you, my room is looking khaki. You know what I'm saying? It's not looking nice. So yeah, I have to sweep the room. The bed. Is it called bedding the bed? Or yeah, I have to make my bed. And what? Maybe I have to sit here where I'm doing my things. And you guys have to see. Yeah. Something like this. And then now you can see, you will be seeing me. Nice. Okay. So this one they call it unfiltered. This one they call it unfiltered vlog. Real authentic lifestyle vlog. No my egos, no my guys. Please help me. Do it skin disease. Let me come here. Do it skin disease. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Let me see. If you can see it. Do you please me, guys? I'm going down the breadfruit. Jumbo to that breadfruit here. Those of you who want to talk as fish, I think you can see it. And it's coming in chest guys. I'm not even liking it. They're not going to be to me, but I don't know if I'm going to skinny and be irritated. So guys, please tell me down in the comment section. With you know the chi. With the concept, what can I use like to make my skin look nice? I'm trying to use English in my vlogs, but is it in my vlogs or all my vlogs? In fact, I'm trying to use English, but the Zimbabwean that is in me is too Zimbabwean. I can't even add Zimbabwean myself, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So what's popping here? So guys, stay tuned. Catch you when I'm done bedding. You wanna see me bedding the bed? Okay, let me put the camera here. Maybe you will see me doing my things. Oh, guys, I can even eat. Do the whole week. It's not good. I'm a place in Bamuno. I'm better than line in Bamuno. Life is really brush now. Yo. So guys, now I'm in here in the kitchen. So guys, I'm very late. Like I wanna go to work now, ASAP, as soon as possible. So let me put my plates here. Here. I'll come and sit back, and I come back to work. Maybe tomorrow I'm off. Yeah. Maybe that's when I'm gonna go. Yeah, let me check my cable. So guys, I'm only left with mopping yarn. So guys, I don't know if this is what you do at your houses or if this is what your brothers do at your houses. Just doing everything scattered. I don't know. Please tell me down in the comment section. Is this what your brothers do at home, or is just only me? It's just only me and it's in. I need to feel like a robot. I'm open up. You understand? Those are pills. I was in Bamana. Don't stick at wood. Bamana don't stick. So guys, I wanna try to be consistent. I wanna try to give you vlogs each and every day until this October ends. You know what I'm saying? So they call it VLOGTOCTER, whereby you'll be posting each and every day. You know what I'm saying? And I wanna try to be consistent also. The thing which is gonna stop me now is like I'm always at work. I go to work early in the morning. It's shit. Tomorrow is Friday. I go to work at 7. Saturday, I go to work at 7 again. Then Sunday, this is when I'm gonna have a night shift. So yes, I don't know guys how I'm gonna do it, like how I'm gonna be able to post video each and every day. But yeah guys, let's see. I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna try. And I'm sure maybe I'll do something to see if my coach can come here tomorrow, and then we work on something for content for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then yeah, we'll give you something for you guys to enjoy. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm ready to go to work. I don't want to miss the train, and I want to try to be as fast as I can. Because also I have to go to see Tanaka, and I really have to, because I was supposed to go there yesterday, and I got busy also. In fact, I did not get busy, but you know, I'm very slow. I don't know how to write my things. I'm always late every day. So yesterday I was supposed to go yesterday, but I was late also. So yeah, let me finish dressing. I go to work wearing this and finish mopping my room, sweeping, and then yeah, I will leave for work. So yeah, this is my working place here. My office number 2. You understand? My bag and my chair is ready to me. So yeah guys, I will see you when I'm going to the train station. So guys, this is my toothbrush. Hey guys, is it gay guys to use a pink toothbrush, or what matters is the cleanliness of your tooth. I heard other guys saying it's gay to use a pink toothbrush. Yeah, actually. So guys, now I'm washing my teeth, and yeah, after that, then I'll finish mopping my room, and then I'll run to the train station. I'm only left with 10 minutes. I have to go and buy the ticket and go to Tanaka's place, and then go to my work. So stay tuned. So go on. So you guys, I'm done now. Now I'm going to the train station, and yeah. Now I'm going to the train station, and yeah, my room is now looking. In fact, I don't have to tell you. It's looking as it can. So yeah, guys, catch you later. Let's go. So yeah, guys, now I'm on my way train station. I'm almost there. I just live near the train station there. I think it's just like a 2 minutes walk. And so yeah, I'm sure most of you guys are wondering why I always use a taxi in my vlog. Why I always use a train in my vlogs. The reason why I use a train every day is because the train, one, is faster. Yeah, it's cheap, but that's not the main reason. I don't use taxis because taxis, they don't move, man. They take 3 hours to go to town. And the train, I think it's just like 17 to 20 minutes to go to town, and it won't delay. That's why you see always in my vlogs I always use the train and I don't use the taxi now, because yeah, it's reliable, and yeah, it don't delay. It goes direct to the destination. I'm saying, man, the taxi, they'll be lodging the whole day, and yeah, let's see. Hello, how's this? Cape Town. So I guess I just got my ticket. As you can see here, the ticket is saying how much? 8 rand. You understand? You can see. And yeah, I'm here at the train station. This is the railway. So guys, I was saying the reason why I use train is because it's fast, reliable, and it doesn't delay, man. Like, it takes 3 days, 5 hours to go to town. You understand? If they stop there, they will reverse, start losing the people, this and that. So yeah, taxis, they always delay. That's why I don't like using the taxis. You understand? That's why I choose to use the train, and the train is safer also. And yeah, it's cheap also. That's another advantage. It's cheap also. That's an advantage. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Now I'm waiting for the train. I'll show you when it's here. And yeah, when I go to town, I'm visit Tanaka. And yeah, stay tuned, man. So guys, I forgot to tell you something. Chris Brown is coming here, just next to my house, here in Grand West here. This is Grand West Mall here. I think you can see it there. This is Grand West Mall here, and I just stay near there, me. And me, I just stay near there, you know what I'm saying? So you guys, tell me down in the comment section who is coming to Chris Brown's show, and maybe we're gonna link up nyana. Or maybe if the ticket is cheaper, I'm just gonna do a free giveaway of 1 or 2 tickets to people that follow my content. I'm saying people that follow me. So you guys, tell me down in the comment section if you're coming to Chris Brown's show. I think it's 5 December or 2 December. I don't know. I forgot the date, but yeah, somewhere there. So tell me down in the comment section if you're coming, if you're pulling up. And yeah, I'm gonna pay 1 or 2 tickets for my subscribers, man. I love you guys. Take care. Now I'm still waiting for the train. I was just a little bit early. I think it's 10-15 minutes. So yeah, I didn't want to miss the train, man. So yeah, I'm still waiting for it. Make sure you stay tuned. You like, comment, and share. And if you want more of this for videos, tell me. I love you guys. So guys, can you imagine the train that came in? The old one, stupid one. Look at it. I don't know why I always go to the train when every time I'm vlogging. I don't know why I always go to the train. But yeah. It looks clean though. So guys,
Safety announcement. For your own safety, please stand well clear of.
So guys, now I just arrived in town, and yeah, I just arrived in town, and now I'm going to Tanaka's place. Now, so yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, now I'm going to Tanaka's place, and yeah, after that I'll come back to this side and I'll get a taxi to go home. You understand? So guys, please make sure you stay tuned. Please tune in. And yeah, comment, share. Let's get it. Look at this car, guys. Toyota Mark-X. This car used to be my dream car back in Zimbabwe, but I think it's my second time seeing it here in South Africa. Yo, let me show you. This one is too much, my bro. And it's very rare to find this car in South Africa. I don't know why you don't find this car here in South Africa. As you can see, even the number plate is not from Cape Town. I think it's something like Mozambique or I don't know. But yeah, there are main cars like this in Zimbabwe. In Zambia, yeah, in Zambia there are 2 main cars like this. I saw some of them. Let me show you the front. Toyota cooked here, my bro. Toyota took its time to cook this one. But yeah. Look at the views, man. Cape Town views. So yeah, guys, now I'm getting spark. Still going to Tanaka's place. Tanaka's working, and yo, I have to go back there. I think from the train station to Tanaka's work is about 20 minutes walk. Then from Tanaka's work back to the ring again, 20 minutes walk, where I get the taxi to go to my workplace. And then from there to my workplace, it's about 15 to 20 minutes traveling time also. And I'm only to do all these things. I only left with 10 minutes to be at work, and I'm gonna be late as fuck. And I'm saying, yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. And yeah, let me just go there and show you soon when I'm with the boy. They are renovating this park. This park looks so nice, man. And they are renovating it. Yeah, putting some new shit. And wow, there was fish inside there. I don't know if there's still fish there. And I don't know what they're doing there. You understand? So yeah. Catch you soon, guys. I love you. So guys, I wanna buy this car. Tell me down in the comment section if it's worth it to buy this car. Is it nice? This one. Tell me down in the comment section if it's worth it to buy this one or it's not. I don't know what you think, guys. Tell me down in the comment section. If it makes sense. But yeah, I love that car so much and I wanna pimp it. Yeah. Tell me in the comment section. Oyo.
The biggest YouTuber in Cape Town, Baba.
And in Zimbabwe also.
Zimbabwe, you know what?
Mama video Facebook. So guys, yeah, I'm here finally. And yeah, after here I'm going to work. I'm doing VLOGTOCTER, Baba.
Yeah.
I wanna see. Yeah, I wanna make some money. So yeah. So guys, so I'm done seeing Tanaka and now I'm going to work. I no longer have the power and the energy to keep on working as was you. I'm 30 minutes late to work and I'm still 30 minutes away. Yo, 1 hour late. I'm going to pay at work for that. You understand? So guys, I'll catch you later, guys. Take care. I love you so much. Now I'm in long street. If you remember the last vlog that I posted, this is long street during the day. Yeah. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Keep on liking, commenting, sharing. And yeah, I want to try to be consistent. I want to try to drop each and every day this VLOGTOCTER, and I'm saying, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and you keep on returning. So yeah, this is VLOGTOCTER episode 2 till 31. I'm gonna be vlogging, giving you some content each and every day. Daily shit, you know what I'm saying? So guys, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Yeah, let's get into it.